invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never wanna change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage doll, one who looks like on the outside that she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal, but sometimes I wonder what it's like to be.
Alright ladies, this is officially my first giveaway for my YouTube subscribers. Please make sure you head on over to Instagram and follow me on Toya Ray Hair Care. Subscribe to this post that you see here on this video. Drop a purple heart and hashtag Toya Ray Hair Care to be entered in to win a bottle of my very own Herbal Infused Hair Growth Oil. 2 lucky winners will be announced on June 19th live on YouTube at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, ladies, contests begin today. Head on over and enter in.